In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new sales receipt with ease. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer keeping track of your transactions, or just someone looking to organize your finances, this guide will help you navigate through the process effortlessly. Let's dive in. First off, we're going to start by opening the software or application you use for managing sales transactions. This could be any accounting software or a simple spreadsheet program. Once you're in, look for an option to create a new sales receipt. This is usually found in the main menu or under a section dedicated to sales or invoices. Clicking on this option will open up a new form or template that you'll be filling in with your sales details. Now that you have the sales receipt template open, you're going to enter the sales details carefully. Begin by filling in the date of the transaction if it's not automatically set to today's date. Accurate date entry is critical for keeping your records well organized and making future referencing simpler. Next, you need to specify the customer's information. If your software has a customer database, you might be able to select the customer's name from a drop-down menu. If not, you can manually type in the customer's name, address, and any contact details. Having this information clearly documented helps in maintaining professional communication and can be useful for follow-up or repeat transactions. Moving forward, it's time to detail the items or services sold. Typically, you'll have separate fields for item description, quantity, and unit price. Carefully enter the description of each item or service and make sure the quantity and price fields reflect the correct numbers. Sometimes this section also allows for automatic calculations of totals or taxes, so double check these calculated fields to ensure they match any manual figures you might have. If you need to include any discounts or additional charges such as shipping, make sure these are clearly stated and correctly reflected in the overall totals. The final figures should give a clear picture of the total amount due, including any taxes or additional charges. Once everything has been entered and you've verified the accuracy of the details, the last step is to save the sales receipt. In most software, there will be a Save or Finish button. It might also prompt you to select a file location or cloud service to store your records. Choose a location that's accessible yet secure for future reference. After saving, you may have the option to print the receipt or email it directly to the customer, which can be convenient for both parties. Taking a moment to review all saved data lest potential errors go unnoticed is always prudent. And there you have it, a complete guide to entering sales details and saving a new sales receipt. Be sure to regularly review and maintain your sales records to ensure financial accuracy and transparency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this instructional video helpful and easy to follow.